Did you know that there are planets out there with rain made of diamonds? Yes, the universe we inhabit is a fascinating place filled with an array of celestial bodies that are as diverse as they are bizarre. Scientists have unlocked many of its secrets, unveiling a variety of planets that defy our earthly norms, with some featuring diamond rain, others with glass winds, and some even with years shorter than our days. Join us as we count down the 10 most bizarre planets discovered by scientists. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is Gliese 436b, the planet that refuses to be vaporized. Nestled in the constellation Leo, merely 33 light-years away, Gliese 436b challenges our understanding of planetary physics. This Neptune-sized exoplanet orbits its parent star at a distance that's a mere sliver of ours to the Sun. Yet, despite the scorching proximity, Gliese 436b refuses to surrender to the heat. Its composition, predominantly of hot ice, seems to defy the laws of nature. This exotic form of water, known as ice-X, exists under extreme pressure and temperature, conditions that would vaporize ordinary ice. But here's the kicker. Gliese 436b retains its icy core, even while enduring temperatures that exceed 800 degrees Celsius. This curious paradox, a sizzling ice cube in space, is yet another testament to the universe's uncanny knack for bending rules. Despite the odds, Gliese 436b continues to exist, proving that the universe is full of surprises. At number 9, we have HD 189733b, a planet with a deadly forecast. This celestial body, lurking some 63 light-years away in the constellation of Vulpecula, is far from a tropical paradise. It's a gas giant similar to Jupiter, but its atmosphere is a scorching 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But the heat isn't the only thing to worry about. This sweltering world is known for its terrifying weather patterns. Imagine winds howling at over 4,300 miles per hour. That's about 7 times the speed of sound. And if that's not wild enough, how about a downpour of glass? Yes, you heard that right. The planet's atmosphere contains high clouds laced with silicate particles. When these particles condense in the extreme heat, they form droplets of glass that rain down on the planet sideways in the howling winds. A visit to HD 189733b would certainly be a stormy adventure. Number 8 on our list is 55 Cancri e, a planet that could make you very, very rich. This exoplanet is extraordinary, not just for its size, about twice the diameter of Earth, but for what it's made of. Imagine a world where the ground beneath your feet is largely composed of diamond. Yes, you heard that right, diamond. This carbon-rich planet has so much of the precious gem that it could make the wealth of the entire world look like pocket change. But before you start packing your spaceship, there's a slight catch. The surface temperature of 55 Cancri e is a scorching 3,140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than the surface of Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. So while the prospect of a diamond planet is fascinating, it's safe to say that this is one vacation destination that won't be featuring in travel brochures anytime soon. 55 Cancri e, a diamond in the rough of the vast universe. At number 7, we have WASP 12b, the planet being eaten by its own star. Now, WASP 12b is not your average neighborhood planet. It's a gas giant situated around 1,400 light-years away from us in the constellation Auriga. WASP 12b has an incredibly close orbit to its host star, so close that it completes one orbital period in just over a single Earth day. This proximity, however, comes with a cost. The intense gravitational pull from the star has stretched WASP 12b into an egg shape, and it's gradually pulling the planet apart. This process, known as tidal disruption, is slowly but surely eroding WASP 12b. The star is literally devouring it, consuming its material at an alarming rate. Scientists estimate that WASP 12b has only about 10 million years left before it's completely absorbed. Slowly but surely, WASP 12b is disappearing, a reminder of the destructive power of stars. Coming in at number 6 is J 1407b, the planet with rings that dwarf Saturn's. Now imagine a celestial body with an almost inconceivably vast ring system, more than 200 times larger than that of Saturn. Yes, you heard it right, 200 times. This is the extraordinary reality of J 1407b, a gas giant exoplanet located over 400 light-years away from Earth. The sheer scale of J 1407b's ring system is absolutely mind-boggling. It stretches out nearly 90 million kilometers from the planet. That's the equivalent of circling Earth over 2,000 times. These rings are so expansive that they would dominate our night sky if they were around Saturn. Beyond the awe-inspiring aesthetics, the enormity of J1407b's ring system presents intriguing implications. The gaps in the rings suggest that moons may be forming within them, adding another layer of complexity to this fascinating celestial body. J1407b, a planet that puts even the magnificent Saturn to shame. At number 5, we have HD 80606b, a planet of extreme seasons. This unique planet, located about 190 light-years away in the constellation Ursa Major, is a gas giant like Jupiter, but its eccentric comet-like orbit sets it apart. Unlike the circular orbits we're familiar with in our own solar system, HD 80606b's orbit is highly elliptical, bringing the planet extremely close to its star and then swinging it back out to the outer edges of its solar system. This unusual path leads to some of the most intense seasonal changes known to science. At its closest approach, the planet's temperature can skyrocket to more than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit in a matter of hours, causing violent windstorms and making it one of the hottest planets ever discovered. But as it moves away, the temperature drops dramatically, leading to a long, cold winter. HD 80606b, a planet that takes seasonal change to a whole new level. Number 4 on our list is Kepler-16b, the real-life Tatooine. Imagine a planet where you'd witness not one, but 2 suns rising and setting each day. Welcome to Kepler-16b, a gas giant planet located in the Cygnus constellation, about 200 light-years from Earth. This planet's claim to fame is its binary suns, a spectacle straight out of Star Wars. Yet, unlike Tatooine, the desert homeworld of Luke Skywalker, Kepler-16b is cold and gaseous, with temperatures that can drop to -85 degrees Celsius. Kepler-16b orbits 2 stars, just like Tatooine. But there's a catch. These stars orbit each other, and the planet orbits this dancing duo from a distance of 65 million miles. This unique setup leads to some truly cinematic sunrises and sunsets, as one star occasionally eclipses the other, creating a striking double sunset. It's a world of stark contrasts where the extraordinary is ordinary. Kepler-16b, where every day is a double sunrise. Coming in at number 3 is PSRB 1257+12, the remnants of a supernova. This intriguing planet is actually a pulsar planet orbiting around a rapidly rotating neutron star. A neutron star is the incredibly dense remnant of a supernova explosion, packing the mass of 1.5 suns into a sphere only about 12 miles across. Now imagine a lighthouse rotating with a beam of radiation. That's what a pulsar is, a neutron star emitting beams of radiation. The mystery of PSRB 1257+12's formation is truly fascinating. The intense heat and radiation of a supernova should obliterate any existing planets and make it impossible for new ones to form. Yet somehow, against all odds, PSRB 1257+12 and its sibling planets managed to emerge from the chaos. Did they form from the debris of the original star, or did they somehow survive the supernova? We may never know. PSRB 1257+12, a planet born from the ashes of a star. At number 2, we have TRES-2b, the darkest planet ever discovered. Orbiting a star in the Draco constellation, TRES-2b stands out, or rather, fades into obscurity due to its unique characteristic, an almost complete lack of reflectivity. This gas giant is darker than the blackest coal, a quality that remains a mystery to scientists. TRES-2b's incredibly low albedo, or reflectivity measure, makes it absorb almost all the light that hits its surface, reflecting less than 1% back to space. This characteristic earns it the title of the darkest planet. But why is it so dark? Well, it's believed that the planet's atmosphere contains light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium and potassium, or gaseous titanium oxide. However, this doesn't mean TRES-2b is completely invisible. When viewed from a distance, it emits a faint red glow, much like a hot ember in the dark. TRES-2b, the darkest planet in the universe, a place where no light dares to shine. And finally, at number 1, we have HD 188753 a planet with 3 suns. Yes, you heard it right, 3 suns. Imagine 3 fiery orbs hanging in the sky, each one providing daylight in turn. This is the reality for HD 188753 AB. This gas giant is located in the Cygnus constellation, about 149 light-years away from Earth. It orbits a binary star system, while a third star orbits the whole system from a distance. This triple star system makes HD 188753 AB one of the most unusual planets we've discovered. The constant daylight on this planet would have a profound impact on any potential life forms. The idea of a life form evolving under constant daylight is a fascinating concept for scientists. It leaves us with a tantalizing question. What would life look like on a planet where nightfall is a rarity? HD 188753 AB, a place where nightfall is a rare event. From diamond rain to triple sunsets, the universe is full of bizarre and wonderful planets. Our celestial journey took us to 10 of the most peculiar ones, each unique in its own right. It's a testament to the marvels of space exploration, revealing the vast and varied tapestry of cosmic oddities. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this journey and subscribe for more fascinating space content. Until next time, keep looking up and wonder at the beauty of the universe.